So yeah, I make loads and loads of curries on this channel, don't I? I've had quite a few requests though to make a curry, a chicken curry with no onions and no tomatoes. So here we go. Here we got it right here. We've got coconut in there. We've got some amazing spices. It really, really, really is delicious, this one, and super easy to make. Let's get moving. So what I have here is I've got 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of chicken. The bone is in and the skin is on, and just different parts, and I've cut it fairly small. We've got some sunflower oil there. Here we've got 2 teaspoons of chili and then 1 teaspoon of coriander, cumin, turmeric and garam masala powder. About 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, chopped cilantro or coriander, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and fresh chili to taste. Very simply, we're going to get all of that in our chicken and give it a nice little mix. Okay, so very simple. Mixing bowl, chicken is in. We're going to drop in our fresh chili, our cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, some salt and black pepper, our powders. Let's just take one more look. 2 of the chili powder. I'm actually using the Kashmiri chili powder, and then 1 each of the coriander, cumin, turmeric and garam masala powder. We're going to add 3 or 4 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. Some oil to kind of just bring it all together. Our garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, tablespoon of that. And as you can see, I've got my gloves on, and we're going to go in and give this a really lovely mix. Now, you can shrink wrap this, cling film it, plastic wrap it and put it in the fridge overnight. That would be amazing. But you need to leave it at least 1 hour. Yeah, overnight would be super, super delicious. I'm going to go for just like maybe 2 or 3 hours, I think. That's it. See you then. So I've got a pan here and I've got some oil in, not too much, just a little bit of sunflower oil. And we're going to drop in some dried red chili and about 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing. They'll infuse that oil, give it an incredible flavor. Now, very simply, let's grab our chicken, and in she goes. Doesn't that look fabulous already? Okay, so we're on just an above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes, and I'm going to be stirring it quite often. So simple, so tasty. That is looking absolutely beautiful. Very simply, we're going to get 400 ml of coconut milk. We're going to pour that over. We're going to put the heat to a simmer, nice and low. We're going to get a lid on that. Leave it alone now for about another 6 or 7 minutes. And this beautiful chicken curry with no onions is going to be ready. See you in about 6 or 7. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes my lid. And that is beautiful. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Let me get that on the plate. Delicious. And there you go, absolutely beautiful. Serving that in a nice terracotta pot with some fresh cilantro on the top and some thinly cut or thinly sliced fresh ginger. That is absolutely wonderful. No tomatoes, no onions, a beautiful, beautiful chicken curry. We hope that you enjoy that. Please do subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. And more importantly, leave us a message and say hi. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.